Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play 1 versus 1 on chess. Calm Mobile. First, open the Chess. Calm app on your device and log in. Once you're in, look for the Play button, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will bring up several options. Choose Play Online to begin the process of finding a live opponent for a direct match. It's a straightforward way to jump right into the action. After selecting Play Online, you'll see options to customize your game. You can choose your preferred time control, like 10 minutes for a more thoughtful game or 5 minutes for a quicker challenge. Decide whether you want to play a rated game, which affects your ranking, or an unrated friendly match. If you have a friend in mind, you can even invite them directly by entering their username. This allows for a personalized playing experience. Once your match begins, the chessboard will appear on your screen. To make a move, simply tap the piece you wish to move, then tap its destination square. Alternatively, you can drag the piece directly to its new position. Your opponent will then make their move. You can also use the chat feature, typically found at the bottom or side of the screen, to send messages to your opponent during the game. After your 1 versus 1 game concludes, you'll have several options. You can review the game analysis, which provides insights into your moves and potential improvements. This is a great learning tool. You can also offer your opponent a rematch if you enjoyed the game, or easily find a new opponent to continue playing. Don't forget you can share your game with friends or save it for future study.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.